In MOJO, you might notice that we use int, with a capital I, which is different from Python's int, with a lowercase letter of I. This difference is on purpose, and it's actually a good thing. In Python, INT type can handle really big numbers and has some extra features, like checking if two numbers are the same object. But this comes with some extra baggage that can slow things down. MOJO's int is different. It's designed to be simple, fast, and tuned for your computer's hardware to handle quickly. Interoperability. We want to get programmers who need to work closely with computer hardware, systems programmers, a transparent and reliable way to interact with hardware. We don't want to rely on fancy tricks, like JIT compilers, to make things faster. We want MOJO to work well with Python without causing any issues. By using a different name, instead of int, we can keep both types in MOJO without changing how Python's int works. Int is a struct that's included in MOJO's standard set of tools.